Hello. Ew, that looks yellow. It is like almost 1 o'clock and it's been snowing like crazy outside. So I'm about to go outside and shovel so me and my mom can go to the craft store. I'm not sure what else we're gonna do today. My mom made breakfast, so my sister came over and my cousin came over and all that fun stuff. Are you feeling any better?
Why?
No, I was just asking. I can't ask? But yeah, my cousin came over. My sister and my cousin just went to Dollar Tree. But I'm gonna shovel while there's nobody in the driveway real quick. So let's go shovel.
Waterproof?
Huh?
Is this camera waterproof?
No.
Nigga.
Why are you wearing those glasses?
Cause I can't see what you're saying. Here, let me vlog. Let me vlog me while I'm shoveling. Here.
You vlog you?
Take these glasses before I kill myself.
Don't fall. Don't throw nothing at a scar. She gonna come out here. Don't throw that. There's like a whole patch of ice right there. Oh shit.
No look. No look. Oh!
Careful.
I'm gonna fuck y'all shovel up.
I wish Tiana wanted to take pictures. It does look so pretty outside. As it's coming down, but it's cold. So it is 2:24. We are back home. I'm trying to open this window. Here we go. It's still snowing like crazy. But we are back home. We went to Joann's. My mom got herself some yarn. I just tagged along. And we stopped at Wendy's and got Frosties. Because we don't have a Wendy's by us, so we usually stop for Frosties too. When we're that way. But yeah, I don't know if I said what time it is. It's 2:25. I don't know what I'm gonna do with myself right now. I might get some friends and go out for dinner, maybe. We'll see. I'm gonna lay here and watch some Netflix and figure out what I'm gonna do. So it is 4:29. I'm getting ready to go shovel and then go get Destiny and bring her Riker stuff and all that fun stuff and maybe go eat somewhere and all that. So I'm excited. I'm excited to get out the house for a bit, and it's still snowing. Like, it's still freaking snowing. Freaking sucks. But yeah, let's go do this. So I'm finally done shoveling. As you can see, whew, I'm freaking tired. And it's crazy because they said only 4 inches today. And by Tuesday we'll have a total of 12 inches. We definitely got more than 4 inches today because it's been coming down steady like that. But yeah, I'm about to warm up the car and get ready to go get Destiny. So we're here at Red Robin. Yum. I got a bacon cheeseburger and some fries. What did you get? The wrap?
I got the spinach wrap, the Caesar chicken, but I didn't get Caesar. I got ranch because I'm basic.
Basic. But there's a lot of people here. So we finna smash.
In my shake. I got a Bailey's cookies and cream shake, and I gave Teisha the other one. I'm a good friend. I'm share.
So it's 6:43. Damn, it's already almost 7. I'm stuffed. We're at Walmart. Look at all the stuffed animals. I just want to jump in here and take a nap for real.
It's a giraffe.
I saw a unicorn one, a rainbow unicorn at fucking Fleet Farm. The sloth.
Oh my god.
It's gigantic too.
Oh, there's a unicorn one. There it is.
No, it was like white but rainbow.
Oh yeah.
Even though like white gets dirty, it just looks so good, and I don't like pink like that, so.
I don't either. Okay, so plant stuff.
Salt? I don't know where salt will be.
And it's fucking snowing.
Oh. It's gonna be snowing until like April, and we've got some grills, and we've got plant stuff here in Wisconsin. Freaking crazy. Freaking crazy. Why did my mom buy a smokeless grill so she can cook in the house? Look right here. This one's only $4. $1 cheaper. But that's $1 cheaper, and it's a smaller bag. I don't know how much you need. That's name brand though. There's not much choices. This is Wisconsin, and this is all we've got left here. In that one over there.
What the fuck? Why we, okay, who's gonna plant corn?
It's not gonna focus. There we go, finally.
Who's gonna plant corn in 6 feet of fucking snow? Please tell me.
That is true. Look, we got plant food. We got some grill stuff and tools, some bikes. Well, a bike, some grills and charcoal. That whole wall charcoal and shit. It's freaking crazy. Can you get it? You're gonna get 2?
Bitch, I don't know when it's gonna snow again.
True. You just tossing it like that. So it is 7:28. I'm in the car. I just dropped Destiny off, and then I quick ran upstairs so she can open up all the bags that I got Riker and all that fun stuff. So yeah, I'm on my way home, so let's go home. And it's still snowing. Like, you can see it out there. It's still freaking snowing. So it's like almost 8. I just shoveled again. It's starting to let up though. But I'm done. I'm gonna go in the house. I really gotta pee. And I'm gonna go in the house and warm up. Freaking cold. So, I don't even know what time it is right now. I'm getting ready for bed. I'm tired. It's 4:18. I mean, 8:14. But I'm gonna get ready for bed. So I will see you guys tomorrow in the next daily vlog. Bye.